light this thing called bonfire.
How long has that been up there?
Years.
So the burn pile's been up there for years?
Yep.
How many feet of hose have we actually put up?
600.
600 feet of hose from that faucet all the way up there.
That's our safety.
To the burn pile.
That's our safety water.
Yeah, and then yesterday I did what for you?
You dug a trench all the way around the bonfire.
Yeah, a fire break. I feel like I probably was. You probably should revoke my tractor license and just give me a shovel and a rake, because I don't know if I did very well.
No, this guy came by and volunteered his services and he did a nice job.
Okay, so you're going to head up there, and I'm going to get the tractor just in case something decides that wants to spread.
Yep.
But we're going to go light this thing.
That's right.
Are we using gasoline?
No, never.
Never gasoline. What are we using?
Never. Diesel fuel.
Okay, and you got matches, I see.
I do have a box of matches.
Okay, right there, matches. We're good. All right, I'm going to get the tractor.
Okay.
I'll race you.
Yeah, you'll win.
I don't think so. I think it caught. Still going?
Still going.
So the burn pile has been going for probably about 4 hours. It's still up there smoldering. We'll go ahead and kind of clean that up a little bit later. But right now what we're going to do is we are going to basically build like some small little, I don't know, platform over here with some landscape timbers and some plywood so that we can start taking some of our stuff that's in the city and in the house that's still trying to be sold and move it up here. And we're just going to kind of use this old barn as storage. I mean, we got lots of things here. Just we're already storing a bunch of stuff here, but that's what we're going to do with our stuff. We're not going to get a storage unit. We're not going to get a shipping container. We're not going to spend the money on those things. We're just going to use this, probably cover our stuff with a tarp or something of that nature. But right now, that's what we're going to do is we're going to build this little platform and get what we have in the trailer out of it and onto that platform. So that's what we're doing. Figure out what's our dimension?
12 by 16.
Bigger. I would like to leave room back there to like walk in case.
Okay. Like a corridor here?
Just might be good.
Sure.
So we need a marking device.
Eventually, you'll probably hang all your saw blades back up on that nail they're on.
Well, they're over there.
Oh, they over there?
Yeah, they're over there. 2 feet, so 15. So we'll make them mark it for. Okay.
You're kind of high up. You're nowhere close to the ground. Ish.
Good enough.
It's a real straight line you got to
Listen.
do. Are we going 16 feet this way or 16 feet that way? We're going 12 feet this way?
What you got?
I got a 0.
Looks like you're on 12 this way, because 12 will put you out
Yeah.
here. Yeah. Yep.
So
So you're gonna get 12. Okay.
We need to be like here.
These things are so heavy.
Oh, babe, I'm sorry. Could have helped you.
Look at that. I'm just getting old. They're so heavy.
Yeah, wait till you're 70.
He's still gonna need an extension cord, isn't he? Yeah, it's from here.
Okay, I won't hold it against you, Rich.
You did it right. You just did it from the opposite
Yeah,
end.
that's
that
right. You did
does.
it right. Would've
You wanna trade me? Since I've got gloves on?
No, that's a lot risky.
Okay. I like that plan. You burning more trash?
Yeah, I'm kind of trashy in that rain.
Dude,
Yeah, go ahead. Just lay right there. That's a great place.
get over here, buddy. Right here. Come here.
Oh, yeah, there you go. That'll run.
Right here. Dude, come. Right on the road. Right here. Sit. Where do you want to start? Up here?
You want a whole sheet or half sheet?
Let's do a hole, and then I'll line it up if you want to start running some screws in them.
Sure. That'll work. It'll be super functional.
There you go. Storage unit. Don't mind the little lip edge over there. We'll put zip tape over it. You'll never see it.
We're not zip taping
In
that.
fact, we're going to zip tape all the seams. We're going to flash around the edging here. You know, I'm actually thinking about sinking some 4x4s in the corners,
It's a barn.
making a little roof over it, because I don't trust this roof.
He's lying. It's all good.
Well, forgot to turn the camera on so you could, not that anything we did was spectacular. But we got the first load out of the garage. We did fix those humps. And no, I'm not putting zip tape on those seams. Duke really likes the platform. Duke, you like it? Meanwhile, Tucker's hunting a mouse or something.